Hello, I'm Dr. Arjun Verma. Today, we are going to explore a powerful question. Is artificial intelligence making us smarter or slowly replacing the way we think in our brain? What if the more we rely on AI, the less we actually think? Relying on AI tools to think, remember, and process information instead of using our own brain. People use AI tools like ChatGPT and Google Search to instantly get answers, reducing the need to think deeply or remember information.
Reduced ability to question, analyze, and evaluate information independently. Decreases decision-making ability and logical reasoning over time.
AI provides ready-made answers, so people stop asking why and how, leading to weaker reasoning skills. Depending heavily on AI-powered tools to perform everyday tasks decreases self-reliance. A person unable to navigate a route without GPS is a prime example. People rely on apps like Google Maps and automation tools, reducing their ability to perform tasks independently.
Lower originality due to dependence on AI-generated ideas and content. Limits innovation and unique thinking abilities.
AI tools generate art, scripts, and ideas, which can reduce human imagination when overused. Relying on AI algorithms to make choices instead of thinking independently. Platforms like YouTube and Netflix suggest what to watch, influencing decisions and reducing independent thinking. Weakens personal judgment and decision-making skills. Artificial intelligence is making life faster and easier, but it also comes with hidden risks. The future belongs not to those who use AI the most, but to those who know how to think beyond it.